sunscience.org. In this video series on the Chinese I Ching hexagrams, let's take a look at the 64 hexagrams one by one. Know how each hexagram influences an I Ching prediction in terms of personal goals, love, career, business, relationships and lots more. Visit sunscience.org to read the full article and much more. What is hexagram 12 or stagnation? Pi is the Chinese name of the I Ching hexagram 12. With inner and outer trigrams forming heaven over earth, this hexagram is called stagnation or alternatively named obstruction or standstill. Hexagram 12 symbolizes a type of person instead of a period of time. Life itself might have stopped and the feeling of frailty might have filled our inner feelings. But hexagram 12 shows us how to look at people around us in order to move on from this still phase. Hexagram 12 also represents a form of adversity that is caused by certain people who fill our lives. Let's take a look at the interpretation and meaning of hexagram 12 as suggested by sunscience.org. His hexagram 12 is a reminder that even when we face great adversity, this too will not last long. We can't avoid pain and hurt, but we can understand how to deal with those periods of time. It is sometimes hard for us to stand up for what we believe in, but if we raise our confidence and respect in our morals, defending them becomes much easier. Personal goals for I Ching hexagram 12 says that there will be times along the life path when we feel low and are at a standstill, unsure of what to do next. It is important to guard ourselves from the influence of others during this time. In love, you should be strong enough to strengthen your social skills that will help us stand up against those who oppose us. If you have any doubts in your current relationship, it is a good idea to end this relationship now rather than risking it for the future. In career and business, during periods of uncomfortable stillness, there can often arise a business opportunity that appears to be able to fix many problems in your personal life. This new position could include more hours and completing the kind of work that is most enjoyable. Take the time to review the opportunity before jumping on board. To summarize the hexagram 12, there is never a time in our life that will last forever, but by analyzing good possibilities closely, we are able to see the truth behind the meanings. Strengthen your social skills and moral standards in order to avoid adversity and to endure this period. Check the description below to visit sunscience.org and read the complete article on this hexagram in detail. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. This is Shweta from sunscience.org wishing you all the very best.